if you want to see any the help from your Python, then you can type help. It's another function, help open parentheses and close parentheses, so that you can statements. You can read this, welcome Python 3.4, help utilities, and then somewhere here, to get a list of variable modules, keyword symbols, or topics, type the modules, keyword or symbols, topics, whatever. Let's say if there is any anything about the list, then list, that's what we are learning, right? And then it shows, oh, class list has this kind of yeah, we will learn that a little later. Some of those. It is a list. It is and there is some explanation. Append object to end of that list. That's what it is. Clear, remove all items from L. You can practice this. Copy list, a shallow copy of L. It is copied, but it's not really value added. So another shallow meaning you can make some aliases. Count. It can tell you how many number of count and values. Oh, this is a good one that we can practice. We'll practice that a little later, okay? For example, apple. We have multiple apples, right? So we can count. A dot count, then it tells me how many apples there. How many apples? Count. Extends. Iterable. So you can, here, if we want to scroll page by page, then hit the space bar. If we want to make a line by line, hit enter key, which is not what you presumed, right? If you hit enter, then it's a line by line. Hit space bar, then page by page. Index, insert. You can insert object before certain index. That is similar to append, but append always attached to the end of that list. But insert, literally, you can push into somewhere. A little. And then you can specify key equals non-stable sort in places. Usually I think it is ascending or descending, maybe ascending order. We can practice this also. You don't have to say key, you don't have to, by default, reverse is false, so it's ascending order. It's a forwarding sorting possible. Okay, that is the end. So if you want to get out of this help, then you can type quit. Or from here, if you want to see more like modules, how many modules are already there, then type modules. You will see a lot of modules. Module means have to do programming from, but you can use something if it is already there. These are the modules already available. If you want to generate some random numbers, then you can use this. You want to find some emails, but emails in regular expression, not particular string, not particular email in string, like jyun@mercy.edu. If you want to find, oh, there's a suspicious guys, I want to find that email, then you can say so. But in general, oh, I want to gather all emails from documents. Then you need to express what the format of emails. That is nothing but regular expression. So all is regular expression. Some of the XML, Wave, HTTP somewhere, right? HTML, many things. So those are such things. If you want to get out of this, then quit. Okay? You do not need to do function. Why? Because you are already within help. But if you have a Python prompt and exit completely from the Python, then you need to have quit, open and close parentheses. Okay, right now, what is A? A is still that. And what did we have? A count, right? This is what we want to practice. How many apples there? Count. A count. A is a make a list like this. If it is a list, or because it is a list, any functions already implemented can be executed. So A dot count, oh, I'm sorry, there's a typo. A dot count. What I want to do by issuing this is that I want to see the frequency of apples in that list. What number that you expect? I do not know how many apples. Oh, 4 apples. I want to insert A dot. I want to insert another apple after the index 1. What is A right now? A is apple, egg, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after this, what the list of A look like? Apple, eggs, and another apple, right? We'll see. Apple. Oh, there's. We need to look up that explanation carefully. What is insert? Insert, insert. Oh, before that index. Before that index. Oh, that. Even we can insert. Say I want to insert at the very first before index 0. Orange. Then it starts orange before 1. Okay?